we're getting all fitted up. Put a couple tacks down there, and we're looking good. Got a couple of things going on. It's all fitting good. Got my little patch that I had to cut out because I didn't like how it looked, so I cut it and just put down a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and tack it and put you guys on a time lapse. So apparently my audio quit working, and must have been when my SD card went. It was me just talking about how I was going to make a replacement panel instead of doing a tire holder, and that's pretty much it. Just of the clip right here. I was just talking about how I was going to do it, and hopefully the audio still worked on the other videos. So we got our patch panel for the trunk. Instead of just leaving a flat piece, I kind of want to give it some strength. You can see how you can easily bend it. I'm just going to do 3 lines, nothing crazy. I was going to do a diagonal, something different from the trunk, but if I just do the lines and the metal, it'll match the trunk, so it'll look like it was something there already. Put you guys on a time lapse. I'm just going to do some quick lines, and we'll use our bead roller. Alright, so this is I don't know if you can see it very well. Hopefully you can. Got a couple beads. First time doing bead rolls. Not bad. Pretty proud about it. Could be a little straighter, but you know, kind of hard when you're cranking one side, holding the other side, doing a little balancing act. Maybe the next upgrade for the bead roller will get an electric motor so I can just step on it and, you know, do it that way. But I'm going to get it all mocked up and welded in the trunk. Well, that's it for the night. Got it all welded in. Gotta let it cool down, and then I'll do some grinding so there's not a lot of warping going on. Yeah, I think this patch panel is pretty good with those seams we put in. It seems to be holding up pretty well. It's pretty strong. Not a lot of give since we did that. Yeah, other than that, after we get it all smoothed out, seam sealed, the trunk will be all done, and then we're on the last of the outside, and then we got some floor pans that we're gonna make and install, and then we're all off to putting it on the new frame. Alright, I really should start paying attention about my battery. What I saw on the time lapse when the battery died, I was finishing the trunk, kind of bring you guys up to speed what was going on. I'm I want to say I was finishing. Oh, I was finishing the panel on this one that I made, and then I found some little. They were like pea-sized holes, but if you know anything about metalwork, pea-sized holes just get big. So I just found the best metal that wasn't rusted out and cut it out and just redone it. A couple patches up there, and then I fixed the tire hole right there. But the trunk is now done. It's painted, it is coated and done. It's still kind of dry and a little tacky because we're cold up here out in eastern Tennessee. But I can officially say the pan and everything is done in the rear. We're gonna probably flip the car around so we can do the other panels on the sides, and then we're gonna do the floorboards on the front, which I'm going back and forth on if we're gonna manual swap it or keep it automatic. Because the next video I'm actually gonna show you guys the frame that we're doing, that it's going on, and the engine that we're gonna use. Pretty excited about what we're using. We were going to keep it old school, but you know what? It's just cheaper to put something else in it. But that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys.